Hey, what's going on, yo? Shit, came over to my cousin house here. She ain't had no light inside the bathroom, so pretty much changed out the switch. You see pretty much here. See, this one here is done. Or worn out. It's a three-way switch. See, got the new one in place here. Working just fine. Didn't have to do nothing with the other one. That's fine right there. So what I gotta do now is just lock it down. Sometimes they'll fight you to go into place here. Every once in a while, all depends. But I do, I just snug them a little bit. That way you give it no room to play. So you can get the plate back on. Want to try this at home now. If you don't know what you're doing, it's gonna be a dangerous thing. Just put the plate on here. Make sure everything line up. Yeah, that way she'll be good to go for the night. Seems like your work is never done, man. Always something, but save yourself another time and money. That should be it. Pretty much how these three-way works is, you got both switches up, the light should be on. When you flip one down, the light goes out. You flip the other one down, the match the other one's already down, it should come on. That's pretty much the three-way it is. If the three-way doesn't operate that way, you flip one up and one down, the light comes on, that means one of them obviously is turned upside down. So, but that's pretty much it. We done here. Sauce fan here. Straight.